All right, Jonathan up here this morning. How's business?
Business is going good. Yeah, we're just trying to gear up for football season. We started doing a lot of the athletes, getting them in knee braces, and high schools, colleges calling us.
All right, for you folks that don't know, Jonathan Berryhill, they own Hal, H-A-L, right over here right next to Staples, basically. There's the building right there. Go over there and get fitted. Now, this time of year, I guess it's busy for you guys.
Yeah, we've been putting athletes that either have been injured in knee braces, football players primarily right now, and ankle braces, and then also parents bringing their kids in to put them in braces to protect them, kind of like an insurance policy. And you know, a lot of coaches and docs will even say, well, it's not needed every play, and it's not.
Right.
Braces are needed every play. It's only needed, it's kind of like a bicycle helmet.
Yeah.
It's only needed for that one time you fall.
Yeah.
So it's like an insurance policy for these guys. You see most D1 schools wearing them. If they're not wearing them, it's usually because they have an old school athletic trainer and just don't believe in that kind of stuff. But it's been proven. Number of colleges, Clemson, South Carolina, have tested it and said, oh, it's well worth it.
Now, you guys also work with non-athletes, like somebody like me or people older that come in.
That's primarily our business.
That's right.
Yeah. Is our Medicare, because, you know, Medicare, TRICARE, those retirees, you know, their insurance pays for this stuff. And so if somebody's hurting, in pain, need a little bit of relief, maybe help them walk, you know, back, whatever, they need to come see us because...
Right. Let's go over how that works, Jonathan. I know you've explained it before, but let's talk about it again. They need to go to their doctor.
So they can go to their doctor, they can call us, we'll help them, we'll send a script to their doctor as they go see their doctor, just to let them know what we suggest that they get. And so they just need to go to their doctor, their nurse prac, their physician assistant, whatever, and just let them know, hey, I'd like to go try a knee brace. And like I said, especially if you're Medicare, TRICARE, because that stuff's covered.
You're going to pay for it.
Yeah.
And it's custom made for them.
Sometimes it is custom made for them, and then sometimes we call it what they call off the shelf.
So they can try them out there at the...
So they can just walk in and actually look at it and try one on and see if that's going to be something they're comfortable with, and then get their doctor to
Oh, yeah, absolutely. They'll come in. We've had a number of guys and gals come in, and we'll show them the product, and they'll go, okay, so we'll tell them what to do. We'll give them a script pad and let them take it to their doc, and they'll come back, and we'll fill the script.
Now, what all do you guys have with this? I know you have shoes of all kinds. What all do you all have in the actual brick and mortar location right there next to Staples? So
we have, you know, back braces, knee braces. You see a lot of these commercials, pain relieving back braces, knee braces. This is the same type of stuff. So we have, we do prosthetic limbs there, but of course we make them off-site. We do custom AFOs and stuff for, you know, drop foot or some kind of mild sprains, and we'll custom make those. We actually make those here locally. The prosthetics the only thing that we end up making out of town, and we have a lab down in Birmingham area that we make the prosthetic limb and then send it back.
So basically you guys can do all of that, and you're right here in Athens.
That's right, local. That's one of the big things is you know, we're the only orthotic and prosthetic company in Athens. So you know, anybody that's going to Huntsville or Birmingham for a prosthetic limb or a brace, they're more than welcome to come see us, and we'll do exactly what's being done, if not better.
What are the hours there?
Our hours are 8 to 4.
Monday through Friday?
Monday through Friday.
Also, I know that if they can't come to you, you will actually make a home visit.
That's right. We will go to them. Somebody that can't drive or even somebody that just would rather us come to them, we will set up an appointment and go to them. And then we've also done special Saturday clinics, too. If somebody's working during the week, we'll set up 2 or 3 appointments.
But especially right now during football season, getting ready to crank up, you guys are probably running wide open.
Yeah, we were doing a lot of the Athens high school athletes that's either been injured or coming in. For a matter of fact, I did a kid yesterday. Actually, one of the doc's son over here at Ortho Sports, they sent him to get protected. He hasn't had any injuries, and they go, we don't want him to have any injuries. So
that does protect against injury.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. That's why all Alabama, Auburn, all those guys are wearing LSU.
You know, with that said, there's no telling what kind of great athlete I could have been before I suffered my knee injuries at New Hope in 1970.
That's right. So you should have had these on.
If only Jonathan could have.
Man, who knows what I could have done?
You'd still be with the Patriots or somebody.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'd be retired by now. Okay. Don't tell what I could have been at Alabama. You know?
Oh, look how confident.
All right, Jonathan, anything else we need to know about the great business you guys got here in Athens?
No, man, just, you know, looking for anybody that wants to try and get back into the game or get back walking, or maybe hasn't had a prosthetic limbs looked at in over a year or so, come see us.
All right. Jonathan Berryhill, you're going to visit 230-2321. Hal Medical. Right down here behind the bank at, what is the name of that bank? PNC?
PNC
They
Bank.
change the name about once a month, right?
You know, what's so funny is when you see a customer, a patient come in and they're actually walking, just the joy on their face.
Yeah.
What was it, Nixon?
Neat.
David Nixon.